Richard here with a quick tip. Have you ever wound up a rope like this? You go put it on your arm, you go around and around and around, you get it down to a point here, you take the end, you wrap it up like this a bunch of times, and then you do like that and make a little knot there, and then you got the rope all wrapped up right. Causes me a problem. I'll show you. I have this box I keep in the back seat of my pickup truck, and it is actually a file box. In other words, you can put hanging folders in here, you know. So I use it to put ropes in. And when I take this rope that I just wound up and I go to put it in here, it doesn't fit. So that's a problem. So I got to figure out what to do about that. So what I did was I made a board like this, which you can see right here. You can kind of see the relative size of this board. And what I do is I take this board and I wind the rope up on it like this. And then when I'm finished, I can take this rope, and since this board is tapered, off it comes. Board goes back in the box. Wrap this thing up a little bit like this. Tie it down. There you go. Perfect fit every time. I also have all these bungee cord things, and they got these hooks on them which are very obnoxious. And so what I do is I use Ziploc bags to put those in. Put it in there like that. Close it up. Ta-da! Done.